Hello guys, my name is Parij. In this video we are going to discuss about the CNN. So let's start the video. CNN stands for the convolution neural network, which is a special kind of neural network which processes grid-like data such as time series and images. CNN are particularly useful for finding the patterns in the images to recognize the objects. CNN is the most popular and the successful neural network. CNN is actually inspired from the human visual system. The idea behind the CNN is to mimic some of the remarkable ways of our brain to recognize patterns and the feature. Now let's compare the CNN and the ANN. ANN uses the matrix multiplication for the feature extraction. It means it creates the data like the flat vectors. It could lead to the spatial information in the images. Additionally, ANN can be computationally expensive due to their fully connected layer. In contrast, CNN uses the convolution operation for feature extraction. They apply the small kernels or the filters to detect the patterns in the images. So now move on to the next slide. These are the real world applications of the CNN: facial recognition, image classification, object detection, self driving cars, and many more. These are the three key layers in the CNN. There are three main layers in the CNN. First one is the convolution, second is pooling, and third one is the fully connected layer. Let's understand one by one. Convolution layer is the core of the CNN. It extracts the feature from the images using the filter. Actually, it is the mathematical operation which is denoted by the star. In this layer, we move the filter across the images, which is the convolution operation, to get the feature map. The primitive convolution layers extract the more general or primitive features from the images, such as edges. As you go move, as you go more deep in this network, you get more complex feature. Let's understand this concept with the demo. So, Deep Wizard is the website where we can easily understand the convolution concept visually. In this demo, we will work on the MNIST dataset. MNIST dataset is the collection of the handwritten digit. It consists of 28 by 28 pixel grayscale images of numbers from 0 to 9. For the demo, I have selected the top edge filter, this one, and the number is selected as the 0. Now let's start the demo. As you can see in the animation, filter is moving all across the images, and the feature map is getting ready here in the output section. Here is the result of the convolution operation, that is the feature map. Now move to the next slide. Second is pooling. Pooling is the process of reducing the size of the feature map, which to reduce the training time. There are three types of the pooling: max pooling, average pooling, and sum pooling. Max pooling takes the largest element from the rectified the feature map. Max pooling is the most used and the popular one. Let's understand this concept also by the demo. For this demo, I have also selected the MNIST dataset, and the filter is the 2x2 filter. So let's start the demo. This is the step by step execution. As you can see, the in the output section we got the reduced featured map. Next layer is the fully connected layer. After pooling, we get the feature map of the reduced dimension. We flatten that feature map and pass it to the fully connected layer, and the back propagation is applied to the every iteration of the training, and that's how the model learns to classify the images. These are the landmark CNN architecture uh, that have greatly influenced the computer vision and deep learning area. Let's explore some of these iconic designs and their significant contribution one by one. Lenet. Lenet is created by Yang LeCun, is an early CNN pioneered and handwritten digit recognition and introduced the concept like CNN and pooling, convolution and pooling. The next architecture is AlexNet. AlexNet, AlexNet is introduced by Alex. It won the 2012 ImageNet competition, popularizing the deep CNN with multiple and ReLU activation. Next architecture is VGGNet. It's known for its simplicity and it uses the small 3x3 convolution filter. ResNet. The next architecture is ResNet. Sorry, GoogleNet. It is introduced by Google researchers. It features inception modules for the efficient computation and won 2014 ImageNet competition. Last architecture is ResNet. It is developed by Kai Ming He. It introduced the shortcut for it introduced the shortcut that makes deep learning training much easier. Now we will wrap up this whole discussion. The first we provide the input image to the convolution layer. Then we apply the convolution operation with the featured filter. Then we use the pooling layer to reduce the dimension of the feature map. We add this convolution and pooling layer multiple times in the CNN architecture. After getting the output from the pooling layer, we flatten that output and then it feed it to the fully connected layer, and we train the model with the back propagation. That's it. Thank you.